Hello, my name is Elizabeth and I'm in grade 6 with Codeyoung. Today I'm going to be teaching you about bacteria. So what is bacteria anyway? Well, bacteria are small single-celled microorganisms that are found almost everywhere on Earth. They also constitute a large domain of prokaryotic microorganisms. These prokaryotic microorganisms also include archaea, which is known to be the earliest on Earth. Archaea microorganisms are similar to bacteria, but evolutionarily distinct from bacteria though. So, this bacteria was found on November 3rd, 1977, which is when my dad was not born, but whatever. So now it's time for a fun fact. Did you know the amount of bacteria in your own mouth is more than the people on Earth, which is 8.1 billion people? Shocker, right? The length of bacteria ranges from 0.5 to 5 micrometers. The last fun fact is bacteria have been considered the first living organism on Earth. Now it's time for questions. What is bacteria made of? Each bacteria is enclosed by a rigid cell wall composed of peptidoglycan, a protein sugar called polysaccharide. This is also a molecule. Does bacteria have DNA? Well, most bacteria have a holopoid genome, a single chromosome consisting of a circular double-stranded DNA molecule. Well, do bacteria have eyes? This is a good question. So, a single-celled cell, to be exact, focuses so it can see. But some single-cell bacteria can see only using one cell. According to new research, cyanobacteria in the Psychrotics genus use their entire bodies to track the placement of a light source, according to Britannica. I hope you know about this, but before I end it, I want to show you this picture. What do you think this is? I'll give you a minute to guess. Alright, what do you think it is? If you guessed a Petri dish with gunk on it, you're correct. This was on someone's floor. Crazy, right? You might be thinking, no, that isn't. Petri dishes can see. Your house might look clean on the outside, but when using a Petri dish, you can really find how dirty it is. Gross, right? I hope you got to know more about bacteria and what it can do. So now, why don't you go test some of your knowledge on your friends to see if they know about bacteria. Thanks for watching. Bye!